Hey guys, Squatch Reloading here. Today we're going to be doing some more bullet sizing, but this time we're going to be doing these on my APP press. And a couple things to note here. I did not know, and I suppose I should have done some more research, your standard Lee 356 dies that you run on your single stage will work in this press as well. And I didn't know that, but I picked up the Breech Lock kit that has the sizing dies that interchange into them. So that's what we're going to use today, and I'm going to show you guys how to install the sizing die to the Breech Lock conversion and so on and so forth. But you know, the big question is this any faster than doing it on a single stage? And I've seen tons of videos out there. Some guys arguing that the single stage is just as fast, or the APP smokes the competition when it comes to bullet sizing. So what we're going to do is get this set up, and then I'm going to show you how it works, and you know, maybe if it's right for you, I don't know, but let's check it out. So when we're bullet sizing, we need to put our bullet punch up here, and to get this to work, we need to get our shell holder, our X-Press shell holder, up top here. So we're going to remove this Breech Lock adapter here, and this is the adapter that'll let you use standard dies. So we're going to get that removed, and then we're going to move our X-Press shell holder up top here. Okay, so now we're going to install the bullet punch right here, and it goes right into your X-Press shell holder, just like you snap it in a standard shell holder, just like so. It's a little finicky. And then we're going to go ahead and put it in the top of the press there. And this is Breech Lock, so they go pretty easy, but the wrench here, just to make sure that you're snugged up where you need to be. So now let's get the actual sizing die installed at the bottom of the press. Okay, so this is the Breech Lock sizing kit, and it also comes with a bottle adapter as well, and we'll show you that here in a second. But we want to take our sizing die, and you notice this is the radius end. It's more of a leading edge, or less of a leading edge on this side, and this side has more of a radius and a leading edge. So we need to, this is going to go in the bottom of the press like so. So we're going to push it through the back side, and then we're going to take our bottle adapter just like so. And if you look in the bottle adapter, it has cutouts for the base of this. So once we get our bottle adapter on, and with the Lee stuff, there's all kinds of little moving parts here, but we're going to get that started to thread down like so. Just get it hand snug. So there we're set with our bottle adapter and our sizing die. So let's go ahead and get this installed into the press. So now we're going to put our die in place, and again, with this Breech Lock setup, it's pretty easy. And we just stick it up in there and then give it a good turn, and we can go ahead and thread on our bottle right now. So that's what's going to catch all of our bullets. So we are pretty much ready to roll. We are ready to start sizing. So basically, this tube will hold roughly 25 of these 9mm cast bullets that I have, and it'll run them as fast as I pull the handle down. But it's literally that simple, and it's just like any other sizing operation. You'll have some that'll stick more than others, and that's mainly due to your powder coat variants. But you know, sitting down here and busting out 1,000 of these wouldn't take much time at all. I mean, as you can see, I'm just going at a pretty modest clip here, but I'm just being very specific on the up and down motion on the press. So there, just as I was talking, we just sized 25 bullets. Alright, so you guys that watched my latest casting and powder coat and sizing video, I was actually sizing some of these .356 bullets, and I was kind of bragging on the Lee push-through die, this one over here, and you know, it was right on the money, .356, .356. So since this is a different sizing die, this is the Breech Lock sizing die for the APP. So let's just check some of these and see how they're measuring. 356. .356. So the Lee sizing dies, man, I'm telling you, they just impress me. 356 for what you pay from a price point. The quality is there, and they just work, and they're accurate. So 0.356. So every one of those, I just checked 5. They were all 0.356. So rest assured, your Lee sizing dies are on point and you can trust them to what they say they are. Okay guys, so there you have it. There is sizing on the APP press. And again, we're using the Breech Lock sizing adapter or sizing kit that you have to buy specifically for the press. And again, I wish I would have dug in a little deeper because I already had a push-through sizing kit that I was using on my single stage. So that was kind of a mistake on my end, but hey, you can never have too much reloading equipment, right? But speaking of single stage, a lot of guys, and I've seen lots of videos, there's kind of this back and forth as to, is it really faster to run those on the APP versus running them on the single stage? And if you guys saw my last video on sizing these bullets, I was running them on my rock chucker, and you can get a pretty good rhythm going and you can bust them out pretty quick. Now the APP, as fast as you can pull that handle down, up and down, you're sizing a bullet. So the only hiccup in the process is this tube. And you can load in 25-ish bullets at a time. And earlier in the video, you see me kind of bust through those at a moderate pace very quickly. So you're going to spend a lot of time, you're going to spend more time loading this tube than you are actually sizing. So that, I haven't compared the two with numbers or anything, but to me, that seems to be the only drawback with bullet sizing is if you're really wanting to crank them out, this press will do it. It's just getting it fed. Now, I see a lot of guys running Mr. Bullet feeders and things like that to speed it up, the bullet loading process. And in my opinion, that's kind of defeating the purpose of the APP press. These are on sale. You can pick them up for $75. And a bullet feeder, unless you're kind of savvy and you can build your own 3D print it, roughly $400 to $600 for a bullet feeder. And then this kind of takes the purpose of this press out the window. To me, the purpose is very economical. It does great for bullet sizing. I've also done a lot of decapping on it already, and it works. It works good. Another thing guys have been asking me, are you going to do a review video on the APP? Well, there's tons of review videos out there already, and quite frankly, I haven't put enough through it yet to give you my honest assessment. But we've kind of touched on some of the things that I've experienced with it already. So once I get some more, cycles through the press, I'll drop a quick video on what do I actually think of it. But if you guys like what you see, hit that subscribe button, get notifications. If you have any questions or comments, you can email me, squatchreloading@gmail.com. You can find me on Instagram, Facebook, and over at the Reloaders Network. So until next time, guys, God bless.